in this video I'm gonna show you how to perform factory reset on your Roku Express using the Roku remote. So in order to do that, we'll need to navigate to our settings right here by using the arrows on the remote pilot. Now click on the settings with OK button and locate system. From here press OK and go for advanced system settings. Click on it and here you'll be able to factory reset your Roku by typing in the pin, which is located in the bottom right corner of the screen. So it's not 1990 in my case, it could be other in your case, so keep that in mind. So after I press OK, our Roku will be restarted. I will lose all data, everything will be wiped from it. So before doing that, make sure that this happens. So press OK and start factory reset. And let's wait for the process, and I will guide you through the setup as well. Okay, so that was quite fast. It's already restarted and we can begin the setup. So first thing is to pick the language, and in this case I'm gonna use English. Of course you can pick any of it. Here you should connect to the Wi-Fi network. There's no choice, so find the one that you have the password for, click OK on it and enter the password. So this keyboard is kind of tedious, I don't like it, but let's just go through that process. So now we have the actual Wi-Fi network internet connection on this, so we can press on auto detect display and see how it works. So this is fine with me, so I'm just gonna use it with automatic settings. Yes, the screen looks good for me. Here you will need to enter the email address, so let's do that. If you had the previous before the factory reset password, you should email, you should enter that one, because there should be all settings like credit card and debit card installed on it. So yeah, just use the old email, and I'm just gonna do that as well. So now the next step is to activate your your account using your email address. So they should send you the activation link in the email. So now I'm just gonna do that, so stay with me, I'll be back in a few seconds. Okay, so I just activated, now the channels will update, and after that our device should be ready and we can easily browse it. So now it's all done, we can move to the next step, and here we are, our Roku Express is ready and we can use it just as normal. And that's it for this video, hope you like it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.